everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be showing you how to make an origami house. In order to make the origami house, you will need an origami paper. So just like this one, you might think, well, normally it has colour. Well, this one is just made out of paper. So if you want to go check out how to do this, you should go check out our channel, and there is a video about origami hack, and while you're there you should subscribe to our channel as well. So also you also need a ruler like this one or any type, and you'll also need a pair of scissors. Now this pair of scissors is optional because you can either use scissors or ruler, but it's up to you what you think you're going to use today. Okay, so now we have everything, we can start. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to push this away, and we're going to get our origami paper, and we're going to make the first step of our house. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold this, and we're going to fold it in half. Okay, once we've done that, we have to unfold all the folds we've done. So just unfold this. So you should have 4 squares. So now you've got 4 squares, you fold it back into the center, into this rectangular shape that we've done, any side. And then what you do is you make sure these corners are absolutely identical. So now we have to take this side and fold them into the middle, just like so. So we're just going to fold this into the middle, okay? So what I did, there was a piece of paper here, and I was just going to fold it in. And I'm just doing the same with this one. We're just going to fold it into the middle, and yeah, so that's what we're going to do. And then we have a little like parcel kind of thing. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to place your finger in here. Before we do that, mine's a little bit upside down, so I'm just going to turn it. If you don't know if yours is upside down, if you have this part here like this and it opens to the page like that, then that means it's upside down. The side that should be facing up is the side that is folded, so you can't open this, okay? And then what you're going to do is place your finger in here like that, and then you can push your finger right into that corner over there, so I can feel my finger over there, and then just take your other finger and push down like that. Okay. So all we did was push it down, so we have a little triangle. So we're going to do this with the same side, the other side. So we're just going to push our finger in there, and then push it right into the corner right here. And then I'm going to take this finger and push it around, so like that. And then I can push it down to a little triangle. And then you have your little house. So I hope that was easy to follow. And while we carry on with the colouring next, please make sure that you comment into the box below, I think underneath our video, and also like and subscribe so we can build our channel up. This house can be made into another origami thing, and what that is a simple easy piano. So this is a really easy piano, and it's basically what we've used for the house. You just need to carry on from the house. So if you make the house, then it's going to be linked. And the only way you're going to know when this video comes is if you put on the notification bell, so you'll know when we post this video. So I suggest that if you want to know how to make this piano, then you should do that. And yeah. Now I'm going to be using normal colouring pencils to start colouring. You can use whatever you want, like felt tips and crayons, but today I'm going to be using colouring pencils.